Most investors find out about great stocks when it's already too late. The headlines hit, the hype rolls in, and the early profits already gone. But the smart money, they spotted that stock months ago, before the crowd showed up. Their secret weapon? A tool like Koyfin. Let's face it, most free investing tools are clunky, slow, or too surface level. You're jumping between platforms, struggling to get reliable financials, charts, and macro data all in one place. You're reacting to what already happened, while institutional investors are forecasting what's coming next. Koyfin gives everyday investors the same kind of edge the pros rely on, without the $2,000 a month Bloomberg bill. It pulls together real-time market data, beautifully visualized charts, analyst estimates, fundamental metrics, and economic indicators all under one roof. And it's incredibly easy to use. Let's say you want to screen for undervalued companies with strong free cash flow, or you want to compare profitability across an entire industry. Maybe you're trying to understand how interest rate hikes are affecting specific sectors. Koyfin lets you do all of that, visually, quickly, and accurately. With Koyfin, you can track your custom watch lists across multiple metrics, compare valuations, margins, and revenue growth side by side. You can dive into these company financials and earnings calendars. You can set up alerts for big moves and market news. And you can analyze macro trends and cross-asset correlations. So whether you're a long-term investor or a short-term swing trader, Koyfin is designed to give you clarity and strength, not noise. One investor I spoke to said that he found his best performing stock pick of the year because of Koyfin's screener. The stock had no buzz, no Reddit hype, just strong earnings growth and an undervalued PEG ratio. 3 months later, it popped 60%. He didn't find it by accident, he found it with data. You don't need to be a hedge fund manager to do high-level research anymore. Koyfin puts powerful tools in your hands so you can make smarter investing decisions faster. Click our special link in the description below to explore Koyfin and start your free trial. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever did research without it. Opportunities don't wait. The smart money already has a head start, and with Koyfin, now you do too.